Hello everyone, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today, we will learn how to sew pieces together using the tambour stitch. This stitch can be used to join pieces knitted with needles, as well as pieces crocheted. Here, basically, there is no difference. I have knitted 2 pieces in stockinette stitch and bound off the rows. Here and I bound off rows. Now, to sew them together with the tambour stitch, we fold them with the right sides facing in and the wrong sides out. Into the first stitch of the first piece and into the first stitch of the second piece, like this. We take the working yarn and pull it through these 2 stitches. Leave the tail. Here is our working yarn. 1 chain stitch. After that, we insert the hook into the next stitch of the first piece under the stitch and into the second stitch of the second piece. We catch the working yarn. Pull it through these 2 stitches pulled through. Now, this stitch we need to pull through the ones already on the hook, like this. Next, we insert the hook into the next stitch of the first piece and the next stitch of the second piece. We catch the yarn, pull it out, and pull it immediately through the stitch we have on the hook. This is how this stitch is made on the hook. Essentially, we are crocheting slip stitches or half double crochets. If you know how to crochet, the same principle can be used in crocheting. If the pieces are crocheted, we also take them here. We insert the hook into the 2 edge stitches of the 2 pieces and also make a slip stitch. I think there is no point in showing it on crocheted pieces, the principle is the same. It is important to consider that this stitch gives a somewhat thick edge, almost like a ridge. I will finish the row, and we will see how it looks. At the end of the row, we insert into the last stitch of the first piece and into the last stitch of the second piece. We catch the yarn, pull it out, and pull the first stitch through the second. Next, we make a chain stitch for securing and cut the yarn. This is how our tambour stitch looks from the wrong side. Here, a kind of chain is formed. He is quite greenish. It should be noted that if the yarn is very thick, it will look coarse. Here's what this seam looks like from the front. It lifts the fabric a bit like this. I took thick yarn. I think that it would be suitable for thinner yarn. I believe this lesson was useful to you. If so, please like, subscribe, and see you in new classes. Goodbye.